Hi guys, I will show you in this video how to get stream information on Netflix if you have LG's TV without info button on the remote. So behind me is LG's C8 OLED TV and it comes with this great magic remote. However, this remote, despite many features, it doesn't have info button. So you cannot toggle information about stream with this remote. But there are two simple ways to do it. So first one is simple and it's free if you have Android or iOS phone. You just download LG TV Plus app, select TV, which is on the same network, and there at the bottom you have this info button. So just by pressing it you will get information about stream, and you can confirm whether or not it is in UHD resolution and which sound quality you get. The other way requires that you own one of LG's older remotes. This is one I got on eBay and it's got info button. So if you have batteries in, it works flawlessly. And that's basically it. So streaming information is available, but I think for most of you, using LG's app will do the trick. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.